Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blogs. Today I'm just telling about the emphasis onboarding update and latest onboarding update. New batch joining news updated regarding the information that the many candidates have received yesterday about the mail. They will be receiving the onboarding news. So in this video I'm just telling about the new batch 2022-23 batch, which batch candidate have received the mail. So in this video there was a mail received by the candidate. So just before watching this video, just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon for notification. In this mail there was a mention regarding we are initiating your onboarding to emphasis and your date of joining will be informed soon. So there was a no date of mention in this mail because there was a issue regarding the background verification and another important notice like is mentioned in this video. All semester mark sheet and degree certificates are mandatory. PAN card and Aadhaar card passport are mandatory, and documents application acceptance of letter passport will be time being proof you are required to work in any shift, business requirement, flexible relocate. All this information like remote on we are plan to remote onboarding and online training. So there was another good news for the candidate who just received the onboarding. They will be just going through the remote onboarding and online learning training program. And those who can, this was the candidate for the 2022 batch candidate, those who have just completed all their information like having the background verification process and all the document verification, all the formalities has completed by the company side. That's why the candidate are received, but they are just planning to batch making the candidate in a batch. So guys, this is the tomorrow is the last day to complete this all the formalities that mentioned in this mail about the all semester mark sheet, because candidate who have not submitted their mark sheet till the 6th semester or something the 7th semester, those who have got the degree or provisional certificate attested by their college or something like that, then uploaded in a PDF format, degree certificate passport size photo in a single mail zipped folder. Do not share document in a Google Drive. So guys, this is the important update for the 23 October 2023. So candidate, those who have received the mail, just take it seriously about their PDF format, about their one mail zipped format, because in the last week candidate, many candidate have just sent their Google Drive link. So they after they sending the Google Drive, there was a no updation from the company side. And there was another important information, those candidate who have not received their joining, they will be upcoming because emphasis have just make their batches of the candidate of the 400 student like that, and most probably they will be the onboarded in this year only. So guys, there will be the chances for the November also, and updated for the next all. If I get any official update from the company side like this, then I will just inform everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe my channel.